D. H. Lawrence in a boat. See the stars, love? In the water much clearer and brighter than those above us, and whiter, like nenuphars. Star shadows, shine, love, how many stars in your bowl? How many shadows in your soul? Only mine, love, mine? When I move the oars, love, see how the stars are tossed, distorted, the brightest lost, so that bright one of yours, love? The poor waters spill the stars, waters broken, forsaken. The heavens are not shaken, you say, love. Its star stands still. There, did you see that spark fly up at us? Even stars are not safe in heaven. What of yours then, love? Yours? What then, love, if soon your light be tossed over a wave? Will you count the darkness a grave, and swoon, love, swoon?